In this video, you're going to learn how to add music to iMovie. What's up guys, I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I create videos and tutorials to help you learn how to use technology to improve your lifestyle. So if you learned something in this video or you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our social channels. All right, let's get right to it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is open up iMovie and make sure that you have a video clip imported. So I've got my video clip here, and there's a couple different ways to add music or audio. So the first way that you can add audio is right up here. There's a little button called audio. So if I click that, I can just browse through my iTunes or GarageBand, I guess if you still use that, and you can import songs from iTunes. Note that this does not work with Apple Music. So if you have Apple Music songs downloaded, you cannot use those in iMovie. They have to be purchased songs. Another way to add music is you can come right up here to the top and click on this little import arrow button. If I click that, it's gonna open up my computer and then I can just choose a file somewhere in my computer. Now, the easiest way, in my opinion, to add music is to just find the file wherever you have it saved. So I have a folder here with a bunch of music, and I can just slide it in from my Finder right into the video file. So now you'll see here I've got my talking and my music. And you're obviously, if you're gonna do background music to your video, you're gonna wanna make sure you turn it down. So depending on how loud your music is or whatever, I usually shoot for right around 20% reduction so that you can play the music a little bit quieter in the background of your video. That's it guys, that's how you add music in iMovie. If you like this video, remember to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. Also guys, don't forget to check out, here's a couple other videos that you guys might like from the channel. Just click the thumbnail to view those.